Hello everyone, my name is Anirban. Today in my first video, I will customize India map with 12 different mandala designs. I will explain it step by step in two parts. Second part will be uploaded soon, where I will show how to color the mandala designs. Two sharp graphite pencils, I will suggest HB, a compass, 180-degree protector, a scale and an eraser. At first draw a map, then try to put all the designs in 2 or 3 layers. Start from the design you have decided to put on the top layer. Leave space between the designs where you have to put the second layer. If you have free space after completing the second layer, go for layer 3. Take a center point first and randomly draw a baseline through the point, such long that you can fit your whole design in it. Place your protector center on the center point you have taken and match 180 line with your baseline. Then take points with equal angular distance. I wanna make 36 sections, so I am taking 10-degree gap and marked 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree up to 170. Join the points with a straight line using a scale. These lines should be invisible after your final drawing. So, whatever pencil you are using, you should remember to use minimum pressure. Now take according to your design as reference. If you are a beginner, then use maximum circles as a reference line to make your design perfect. this is what I finally made. See you soon in the next video.